Alright, day number 9, just got for work. See, I got all these done. All that shit's done. Now I need to do a pipe cut, tack it, weld it, done with the cap back. Then I gotta do that shit right now, so that's what I'll be doing right now. So, do one more pipe cut, final one, finally. And that's pretty much it. It's like 8 o'clock right now, so I could do it for like an hour or two, so I'll weld this shit together. So I'll just do one more pipe cut. Everything looks good. I'll probably have to bend those rods up a little bit. Besides that, it looks pretty good. So alright, do the last pipe cut. Hopefully it'll be my last, so I can start tacking, welding everything together. So how should you gonna be looking? Let's see, hold on one second. Alright, something like that. So I'm gonna make it work. So I'm done. So I'm just gonna tack it, weld it, and paint this side right here from the fucking gas tank right here. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna make it work. It's gonna be a little tighter, but doesn't look too tight. So that'll be done. Alright, I got the OEM with the MagnaFlow stock exhaust. So done with the cap back, done with all the welds. Now I need to fix the axle back. So what do you guys think? So it's dark out, got it for work. Did an extra pipe cut. So how many I did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 right there. 9, 10, 11, 12 right there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28. So what do you guys think? I can't wait to turn it on. Maybe tomorrow it'll be done. So day number 9, I'm gonna put everything together. Hope you guys like it. If not, let me know. Alright, you too. Mask the muffler. I'm gonna paint that right now. I'm gonna scuff it, brake clean it, clean all of it, and use some of this shit. So if it gets hot, I don't kaboom and die, cause that part is next to the fucking gas tank. So right now I'm gonna clean it, scuff it right now. Alright, man, so I'm gonna start cleaning it. I already prepped it, got this going on, so that's what I'll be doing. So nice coats first. I tape off the MagnaFlow crap anyways. The other one nice and shiny. So that's pretty much it I'm doing right now. Alright, so I'm done painting it. It's not the greatest, but I'm more worried about this area right here. I know they're in zip ties, but he wrapped this all so I don't explode when I beat some cars, you know. I'm gonna go put it out right now. Alright guys, she's already band up. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right there, see, band clamp up. Nothing hits that I know of. So it looks alright. I don't know. I wish I can do a better job, but it is what it is. So when I get lifted in the air, I might have to bend those hangers, but for now it actually hooks up right. So I'll show you in the back how it looks. So I'm alright with the fitment for now. So it works. So okay, I'll see if this pushed back a little bit more or not. Doesn't look too bad. So next time, gotta do these welds, fix this one, make it, I may instart it. All right, next day with this exhaust. So it's done from there. So I'm gonna weld that area, those two, and I got some fucking hangers I need to weld up. I probably get later on. I'm gonna have to sand these down and paint them. So right now, a lot of people are on my ass right now. So I'm trying to see if I can get it done right now. Start it and see if it works. So that's what I'm doing right now. So let's go measure it out right here. So thinking about doing this way. Find the hole. It's right there. Pull it back a little bit. Grab this one and go from there. Something like that. I'm gonna mark it right now and cut it. So that's what I'll be doing. Alright, install it. I like how this looks now. More in. I need to cut the pipe, slide it more, a little bit more in. Besides that, it looks not that bad. What do you guys think? Take some I'm gonna take some photos early in the daytime. Everything's welded, so I'll see if the Tiburon will start, and you guys can hear it. So I have my keys with me, so let's get the Tiburon. Let's see if my battery ain't dead. So let me. Okay, this is kind of ghetto, but that's not good to get hold for you guys, because you guys are the one of the main reasons why I'm here doing this shit. So let me hold on. Alright, let's see if she turns on. Alright, let's see, the Tiburon's gonna start. But I need to retune it. Gotta fix that one. That looks good. is what it is. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna tune it. I'm gonna bring my laptop maybe tomorrow or soon. So thank you for watching. Drive safe and stay dirty.